Welcome. I'm Richard Brown, and on behalf of my business partner, Dave Taylor, and our many coworkers, we're glad to have you join us for this virtual tour of our corporate offices and manufacturing headquarters located just outside of Seattle, Washington. Today's tour will follow the life of a project at the BoxMaker, and it all begins with you. We're here in the Experience Center, an inspirational space where businesses like yours are invited to share about your pain points, learn about the latest packaging technologies, and explore potential solutions. Through our discovery process and consultative approach, the BoxMaker partners with you to clarify your challenges and deliver integrated services and solutions that effectively address your business needs. By understanding how your business operates at a deeper level, we can deliver products and services that focus on the big picture to benefit your bottom line. Once a project is defined, your sales representative communicates with our client services team to begin tracking your project. We leverage Web Center, a software specifically designed by ESCO to manage packaging product life cycles from start to finish. Once a Web Center is started, your project then flows through our award-winning design department before a product spec and quote can be created by our estimating team. Once an order is approved, Client Services coordinates all departments to get everything ready for the item to enter production. Following production, your order might flow through our fulfillment center before being loaded onto one of our trucks and sent to a branch for distribution or drop shipped directly to you. Hopefully, today's virtual tour will spark many questions about how we can help you solve your business's packaging problems. Send your questions to one of our packaging advisors by emailing us at info@boxmaker.com or reaching out to your dedicated sales representative at any time. Our client services team is primarily located here in our corporate headquarters, but we have additional staff working throughout our locations. This team plays a key role in managing client orders and relationships. When you give an order to your BoxMaker sales representative, they hand that order off to the client services team, who then enters your order into our system, which triggers a chain of events to ultimately produce your order. The client services team becomes the go-to point of contact for order management and works in close tandem with our sales and production teams. Reorders are often placed by clients directly with this team. After sales initiates a new project, that project flows to design. Our award-winning design team operates out of our corporate headquarters just outside of Seattle and our branch office in Portland, Oregon. This team includes 3 structural designers as well as our full-time sample maker, who powers our ability to deliver structural samples to our clients quickly, keeping your project moving forward. Our discovery process sets the BoxMaker apart. Our sales team is trained to ask you many questions up front about each project, and they often come back with even more questions. Their aim is to reduce the number of design revisions needed to deliver your desired outcome. This information is then handed off to our design team in your project's Web Center. Based upon the information provided to them in Web Center, our design team then ideates and marries client needs to your vision to create a custom design. The design process typically takes 3 to 5 days, but can take up to 2 weeks for complex structures. Simple standards are more immediate and make up 70% of the requests, freeing our design team to primarily focus on more specialized projects. Following design, a structural sample is created for approval. After approval of the sample, the project can be quoted by our estimating department, and quotes are typically completed within 48 hours. Our estimating team is responsible for building a manufacturing specification, or spec, for each of your manufactured products at the time of quote. This spec tells the production team how to correctly make, pack, and ship your packaging. Many specs include fine details such as pallet requirements and over/underrun information. Most manufactured orders include an overrun or underrun tolerance of up to 10%. The price quote is attached to the spec. Our estimators are experts at determining the cost of a project and often offer suggestions to reduce costs by optimizing for manufacturing efficiency and order quantity. Your sales representative then quotes accordingly. Once you approve your quote, your order is ready to enter production. If your artwork requires pre-press services, it will flow through our graphics department before entering production. Our graphics department receives your artwork and pre-flights it for production. Our graphics manager works with sales, production, and directly with clients to troubleshoot any potential issues with your provided artwork to ensure it is produced to your expectations. The graphics department will leverage their experience and technical knowledge to raise any red flags before the order goes to production and offer suggestions to achieve your desired outcome. Once your packaging graphics are finalized and applied to your die lines, manufacturing is ready to begin. Our corporate services team manages all things finance. In addition to establishing credit terms and invoicing, we are able to provide comprehensive reporting on a regular basis to our clients. Reporting can provide key insights to help you streamline your business, optimize your packaging spend, and determine return on investment. All coworkers at the BoxMaker are focused on the client experience. We keep you at the center of everything we do. For the first part of our manufacturing tour, we will visit our traditional box plant, which historically has produced plain and flexo printed brown boxes, trays, pads, and all varieties of shipping containers. Today, this portion of our plant still produces these packaging products and additionally provides finishing work for our rapidly growing high graphics packaging business, which we will visit next. The BoxMaker strives to deliver every project in full, on time, and to spec. Throughout our plant, you will see our quality policy on display, which states, through continuous improvement, we educate and empower our coworkers to identify and prevent nonconformances with a goal of zero defects. Our promise is to consistently deliver effective solutions which are precise and on time. In 2011, the BoxMaker began investing in digitally printed and finished packaging. At the time, this technology was primarily used for rapid prototyping and short-run, low-volume work. Since then, digital has grown tremendously and the technology has advanced exponentially in quality, speed, and capacity. Today, our continuous investments are bearing fruit, and we are able to deliver beautiful, full-color digitally printed boxes, retail displays, and labels at scale to our clients. As an early adopter and leader in this space, the BoxMaker is recognized by our industry peers as digital print experts when it comes to corrugated packaging. What are some of the benefits of digital? Compared to our flexo presses, digital presses require very little setup and they do not use print plates. The image is printed directly onto the substrate, powering a myriad of capabilities and order quantities as low as a single box. Low and mid-volume orders are converted on our digital CAD tables, while higher volume orders are die cut in our main box plant. Digital print is also a very sustainable print option. There is minimal waste due to setup, and the print result is consistent from the first sheet to the last, eliminating the need to print waste sheets for print calibration. Free from the limitation of print plates, digital allows every printed sheet to be different. This gives brands the power to easily incorporate variable data customization into their projects in the forms of personalized packaging, serialization, variable barcoding, digital watermarking, and more. Combined, our digital presses are capable of printing up to 10 million square feet of product per month. After artwork is approved, we're able to ship the majority of our digital orders within 10 business days or less. Once an order is printed and cut, product flows directly to our fulfillment division where we can perform many value-added services. Our team can handle anything from simple display assembly to packing displays or boxes with your product and drop shipping to retailers or directly to your consumer. With a little information up front from you, we can even multi-pack flat displays into a shipper with assembly instructions and ship to retail merchandisers for setup, providing you with tracking information for each pack shipped. Think of our fulfillment team as a flexible labor pool that can enhance your existing operations without the added overhead or management. We adjust based on customer demand and can scale from light assembly all the way up to full pallet displays for club stores. We own and operate our own logistics. Client orders are loaded onto transfer trucks that deliver to our 6 additional locations throughout Washington and Oregon for local delivery. Our drivers are an integral part of our team at the BoxMaker, and have as much of a relationship with many of our clients as do our sales representatives or client service specialists. This team takes great pride in the products they deliver, and I should know because my first job in this industry was as a driver. If you want to learn more, visit us online at www.boxmaker.com. Be sure to use our online request a quote form and tell us how we can help you experience the power of packaging.